Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. So we're here on a crisp morning. Winter is just on the cusp. So what we want to talk about is just basic battery maintenance. It's something that gets forgotten a lot of times. What you want to do, and everything that I talk about is available from whether it's Napa or Canadian Tire or your local hardware store. But take your battery at this time of the year, get your post cleaner, take the terminals off, clean the posts good, make sure that you get some kind of a battery cleaner, or you can even use baking soda. Just make a like a paste out of it with some water, put it onto those around the posts. It will neutralize any of the battery acid. So you can just get your old Arm & Hammer and put some water on there. It'll neutralize that acid. Then put those terminals back on, snug everything up nice, and then spray it with some battery protector, and I don't care what brand it is, and that will make sure that you have a good connection on those batteries, because wintertime you need every extra amp that the batteries have. If you have access to a battery tester, maybe give them a quick test, because if there's a bad cell, it will show up even on a cool day like today. You'll see that, and then you know that you can replace that battery, or that it's good for you for the winter, rather than when we get to -20, -25. So just basic battery maintenance works on every machine you have on your yard. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.